Bottle sterilization. Wash your hands before you start with soap and water. All used bottles and nipples should be rinsed first with cold water. Once done, using the bottle brush, wash again with the soap and rinse with warm water. Nipples should be rubbed with salt to remove milk slime and rinse again. To get inside the nipple, use nipple brush, then use a needle or a toothpick to clean nipple hole and squirt water through holes. Arrange the bottle upside down inside the bottle sterilizer and put the cover on. Sterilization takes about 10 minutes to kill harmful microorganisms. Milk formula preparation. Wash your hands with the soap and water and clean your work surface. Prepare a cold boiled water for 30 minutes. Pour the right amount of cold boiled water into a milk bottle. Add the right number of scoops of milk powder. Attach the teat and shake until the formula is completely dissolved. Then check the right temperature of the formula by putting few drops of milk into the inside of your wrist. Formula feeding. Hold your baby in the upright position, supporting the head and neck with your hand. Touch the upper lip of the baby with the bottle nipple to encourage the baby to open their mouth wide. Hold the bottle horizontally. The nipple should not be full of milk while feeding. Burping. Over the shoulder. Hold the baby upright with the head resting on your shoulder. Pat back with your other hand. Cupping on your hand slightly is gentler than a flattened palm. Sitting on your lap. Sit your baby on your lap, supporting the chin and chest with one hand. Rub or pat the back with your other hand. Lying across your lap. Rest the baby face down on your lap and gently rub or pat the back. Keep the cloth nearby in case your baby spits up.